Welcome back to channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Well, iOS 26.6 beta 1 is out. In this video, I'm not gonna talk about that what is new with this update. That video will come later once I update to this one. But in this specific video, I want to talk about should you install this update or not, because many people, whenever there's an update, many people go and install this update right away, and after that they regret that why they installed the update. So in this video, I'm going to talk about should you install this update or not, and what I am personally expected from this update. So while iOS 26.6 beta 1 is out, as you can see, the update size is around 9 gigs depending on which iPhone you are using and from which iOS version you are coming. I am using iOS 26.5 and this is the update size for me. And how you can install this update is obviously very simple. Get into settings, get into software update, and once you are into software update, go to the beta updates, and over here select the iOS 26 developer beta. Now once you do these steps, go back, you will see the update, and from here you can install the update. However, I will not recommend anyone to install this update, and there is a reason why. Well, it's a first beta, it's a first developer beta, and whenever it comes to a first developer betas, there are bugs. You can face different sort of lags, you can face bad battery life, you may have to face bad battery draining or something like that. So the first beta is never recommended by myself. Now honestly, if you ask me, are we expecting any big features? Well, I am not expecting any sort of big features from this update, because you saw 26.5 itself was a small update. The main highlight of 26.5 was the new wallpapers, nothing much crazy going on in that. So I'm not expecting anything big from this update, and the whole focus of Apple right now is on the iOS 27, and definitely that is coming in less than 2 weeks. So I am also excited for that. Make sure to subscribe the channel, those videos will come out. But yeah, again, 26.6 beta 1 is out. Now if I talk about what I want in terms of battery life, definitely I'm looking forward in terms of battery life, a good battery life overall. Now why I'm saying that, because it is gonna be a very polished update. There was 26.1, 26.2, 26.3, 4, 5, and 6, and from now onwards the whole focus of Apple will be on bringing a better battery life, bringing better performance, enhanced version of iOS 26 with the iOS 26.6 and also with the iOS 26.7. So the whole thing is gonna be that you can't expect anything big. That's is what 26.6 is going to be all about. Now, as you can see, as you just saw, that I am installing this update, and definitely once I install the update, I will get back with another video in which I talk about if I found anything new. Definitely I will come back with another video. But so far, personally, I'm not expecting any big feature. I'm not expecting anything big. So if I conclude this video by saying should you install this update or not, I will not suggest you to install this update. I will say just stay on the 26.5, and if you are facing issues on 26.5, we are also expecting 26.5.1 this week. Let me check my other device that if there is a 26.5.1 update is also out or not. Let me get into journal, get into the software update. Let's see if the 26.5.1 is out. It is not out today, maybe it comes tomorrow. Let's see. But I will not suggest anyone to install 26.6 beta 1. I will say just wait for 26.5.1 and install that update. So for now, ignore this update. Again, if I found anything new, I will let you guys know. This is all from this video. Hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.